Hello and a warm welcome to all the brilliant minds joining us here at Guild Geekify Programming. I am Saeed Kohansel, your full-stack web developer guide. Do you want to learn how to code faster, better, and smarter with AI? In this video, I will show you how to use 3 amazing free tools that will transform your web development and programming. You will discover how to use OpenAI ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini to create stunning websites, apps, and software from scratch or enhance your existing projects. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, you will find these tools incredibly useful and fun to use. Watch this video now and get ready to unleash the power of AI in your coding journey. Let me introduce you to 3 free AI giants to start with. They are ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. Now, I will open them for you in the browser in order. This is the ChatGPT panel with the URL, chat.openai.com. This is the Copilot panel with the URL, copilot.microsoft.com. And this is the Gemini panel with the URL, gemini.google.com. Very well, now I intend to show you a simple and short example of web development using artificial intelligence. This project is related to account activation using a form with a one-time password, OTP. I use this example to better explain how you can use AI as a professional assistant. I want to create and add some specific features that I have in mind to the inputs of this form with the help of AI. In this section, I have written an English prompt for AIs. In fact, these are the features that I want to add to the inputs of this form that you saw. As a point, I should mention that you can write the prompt in languages other than English as well. You can interact with an AI in various styles. I suggest you practice and repeat a lot to master writing prompts. When I request these features from an AI, the AI starts and codes them for me in JavaScript. Let's first ask ChatGPT to solve these needs. I also need to add my HTML inputs to this prompt. Very well. As you can see, GPT has started to respond and write code for me. GPT even explains the points and how to use the codes. Now let's prompt Copilot. According to my experience and usage, the best mode for coding is precise mode. You can test the codes, and if there is a problem, you can prompt it again and continue a useful conversation with your desired AI to reach the desired result. In my opinion, this part is the sweet part of the adventure. And now, let's prompt Gemini. Okay, now it's time to test these codes in turn to see which one is exactly what I want. Very good. When the page loaded, the first input was automatically focused. In all these inputs, only the possibility of entering a numerical value exists. When I enter a digit, the next input is automatically focused, and when we reach the last input and fill it, all of them are automatically unfocused. These were exactly the cases that I prompted from ChatGPT, and it met all my needs. Of course, I should also mention that the more complex and extensive your requirements are, the less likely it is that you will reach your desired final result with the first prompt. Therefore, you should interact with the AI in a turn-based chat to achieve your desired result. Now it's time to test the Copilot code. There are some issues with this version of the code that I need to continue chatting with Copilot to resolve, but since I don't want this video to be long, I won't do it. Alright, now let's test the code that Gemini has generated. Well, it seems that this version of the code also has numerous problems and is only half working. So, considering this practical example that I did for you, we learned how to use AI for programming and web development. In fact, we employ AI to work for us and increase our speed, quality, and productivity. I've tried to make this video short, to teach you the method of coding and solving various problems and challenges using AI. As someone who constantly uses AI, I can say that Copilot provides the best and most useful responses to people. I hope this video has been useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. I'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps.
Because I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.